we're traveling to Yokohama for just a day trip, and the entire reason we're actually heading here happened over a decade ago. Meet Yuto.
My name is Yuto.
Yuto was a Japanese exchange student back in 2011. He came to Edmonton and he stayed while we were in school. And despite the massive language barrier, we easily became really good friends. After he left, we connected on Instagram, and after years of just casually chatting, commenting on each other's stories, and just kind of brief life updates, I knew I really wanted to try and reunite with him. So I hit him up on Instagram, and somehow we were able to make it work.
That I really like. He's so cute. I hope I get Zoro. It's like Tamagotchi.
Sino yan?
Ready?
Robin!
Is it Robin? 3, 2, 1.
You're so lucky. I don't even understand it. I don't understand it.
It's meant to be.
Oh,
It is.
he's so ugly though.
I know. I kind of want to do to you or no.
I want to chopper. Usopp's kind of cute too. It's so small. AOD.
Look at Jin.
Didn't say it was loud.
We made it! Yokohama Gundam Factory.
ションコントロールより発令。これより
マグネットコーティングの性能が予定通りならガンダムの動きがさらに加速されるはずです。この後高機動タイプへの
そういえばオリジナル AI のシステムの不具合。ガンダムのパイロットだったアムロ・レイ。
アムロレイ、あの伝説のニュータイプ。
僕はサイコフレームに宿ったアムロの記憶。君たちが呼ぶオリジナル AI だ。サイコフレームの輝きに導かれるように。それは自然なことだよ。未来へ向かって人の可能性をつないでいく。未来への可能性は彼にだってある。そうですね。なんだか懐かしい人に会えた気がします。
了解した。
Bye. See you again.